Alright everybody, you don't know who this is. This is the Skilla and this is a part of the Skilla entertainment. Now, this is not entertaining at all because guess what? The country keeps getting more and more disturbing as I got this clip that is showing stones being thrown at the police. Now, I was told that it was somewhere within St. James, and I'm saying that this is disturbing because you cannot fight fire with fire. Fighting fire with fire is only going to leave everything burnt. You understand? So please take a look, observe.
Yo. They can't move to shot like you. Who's remember that, yeah? Who's remember that?
No, this is what I'm talking about, right? You can see a police officer going at a guy on the right angle of the screen, and by hearing what these people were saying, it seems as if the guy was about to throw stones at the cop, but everybody was about to join the guy throwing stones because if you look, you could actually see this young man like letting go of a stone, let it hit the ground. Now, Jamaica, take it from Skilla. Fighting back at the police is not going to work like that. You understand? This is a lovely country. This country is not in any form of war zone that needs to be at this hostile behavior. You understand? I mean, we are a land that is built for tourism. So let's do better, alright? Now the greatest part of this event is that nobody was hurt, and once there's no life taken, then everything is okay, alright? So please, Jamaica, do better than that, alright? Now, please remember to hit like, leave a comment, and please subscribe. My name is Skilla and this has been the Skilla Entertainment.